Welcome my dear students for grade 2 on our educational channel Malawi Think and Discover Malawi Governmental Language School. Today we will talk about Today we will continue Theme 3 and How the World Works, Chapter 2 Cities and People, Lesson 2. Let's start this lesson. This lesson talks about Noor's plan, where we will visit our itinerary. Noor's plan. Open your box on page 50. Read the story, circle words you don't know. Noor and Hutham are walking to school. We decided where we will go on our family trip. Noor says to Hussam, "That is exciting," says Hussam. "Where are you going?" "We are going to start at Aswan and visit the Fiyala temple," Noor says. "I have been there with my family," says Hussam. "It's fun to walk around inside the big temple. There are beautiful carvings on the walls." Next, we will go to the Valley of Kings near Luxor. Then we will visit our aunt in Hurghada, explains Noor. "Good, Samir. We will go swimming in Hurghada," adds Hussam. "Yes, Samir thinks he is a fish or sometimes a bird," laughs Noor. "Finally, we will visit the Great Pyramids in Giza." "It sounds like a very fun trip," says Hussam. "I hope you will take many pictures." After we read this story, we find difficult words like carvings, Valley of Kings, Fiyala temple, walls. Let's move the second part of the lesson, where we will visit. Look at your box on page 52. Look at the map. Add directions words to the compass rose. Circle the cities we will plan to visit. Add cities we will visit to the map if any are missing. In this exercise, you will list cities you will visit them. List the cities in order that we will visit them. Like, we add words directions like north, south, east, and west. List the cities in the order that we will visit them. Number 1, our hometown, like المنيا, الفيوم, Cairo, Aswan, Luxor, Hurghada. Circle around words on the map, around cities on the map. Cairo, الفيوم, Hurghada, Aswan, Luxor. Now, our last part of the lesson. Our itinerary. Look at your box on page 53. Our itinerary. Write the names of the cities in the order you will visit them. Record the types the type of transportation you will use to travel to the next city. Estimate and record the distance between cities. في الاكسرسايز ده هنكتب أسماء المدن اللي احنا هنزورها بالترتيب، وهنسجل نوع وسيلة المواصلات المستخدمة ما بين كل مدينة والتانية، وهنحسب المسافة ونسجلها بين كل مدينتين. We will start with hometown and write transportation and write the distance to next city in the arrow على السهم ده في الأسهم. Let's answer this activity. We will start with the hometown المنيا. Transportation pass. I use pass to travel the next city, like the next city الفيوم. The distance between المنيا and الفيوم 177 kilometers. الفيوم I use train to travel Cairo. The distance between الفيوم and Cairo 97 kilometers. After I use plane between Cairo to Aswan. The distance between Cairo and Aswan 238 kilometers. City number 5 Luxor. Plane Hurghada. Plane and the last one الفينش الهوم تاون بتاعتنا مدينتنا المنيا بالبلين. Write the distance between المنيا and Hurghada is 513 kilometers. Write the distance to the next city in the arrow. Okay. What is the total distance traveled? لو احنا حسبنا المسافة الكلية اللي احنا سافرناها we find 2177 kilometers. يعني حوالي 2177 كيلو متر. The last part vocabulary. Look at your box on page 55. Think about your own definition for the new word. Complete the chart. Vocabulary word. The new vocabulary word, itinerary. Itinerary. What is the meaning of itinerary? Write your definition and draw your illustration. How did you use this word in class? The answer of this activity. Vocabulary word, write itinerary. Your definition, the plan for trip. خطة الرحلة أو التخطيط للرحلة. You can draw this picture. How did you use this word in class? I will use itinerary with my classmates and my teacher in class and write it in my book. Now we study new words of the lesson. Itinerary, itinerary. Garfings, garfings. Walk, walk, walk. After we study the lesson, please answer this activity. Rearrange these cities to make your itinerary. نرتب هذه المدن علشان نعمل itinerary بتاعتنا اللي هي خطة الرحلة. شرم الشيخ, Alexandria, Luxor. Thank you for watching me. Goodbye. See you next video.